When you were going to be a superhero, but it turned out to be a clown.
Eita, doido do caralho! Que porra é isso, meu irmão? Ele tá.
Sometimes I wonder if his past life was a comedian. Oh, I'll sneak in quietly, 'cause no one notices.
Blue, get the damn cat.
How to play with your cat when they want to stay in bed. If you want to be invisible, learn from this boy. Is there a circus that lacks actors? He's found his own secret door. Wake up, buddy. It's time for work. Look at me. I've got a hot air balloon just for me. With just one note, he made everyone look at him.
Bubba.
Your beauty makes me unable to take my eyes off. With me here, you can't stuff anything in my house. It is true that silk is beautiful for people. It's time to eat. Let's see what we have today. What a talented child actor! Not only humans, but cats are also startled by lightning.
What are you doing?
Are you capable of speaking without appearing human?
Ollie, what are you doing?
Unexpectedly, he also knew how to turn on the computer. When the owner said to dance a song and then feed.
Gary, stop it. Gary. Gary, you little...
Don't touch your cat when he's concentrating.
Gary!
Oh, you got a laser pointer. Look.
If you intend to tease this friend, please tease more discreetly.
Look. Look on the ground. Okay. We might play with it. God.
how to get the boys' full attention.
There's a lot of noise going on.
I just want to eat breakfast a little earlier, Mummy.
Really?
All right, Yellow, your turn. Ready?
His doubtful expression was the cutest reaction today. Don't worry if your cat has to be alone, because he'll find his own food.
Otworzył.
When you want to go out without going to the park.
Bro, I guarantee you your head's gonna get stuck.
Even though he's alone, he still plays happily. Mummy, instead of milk, I want to drink this.
Coca-Cola. Where did you get that Coca-Cola? Did you take it? Oh. Hello.
The first step of learning human language.
Hello.
Playing catch has never been boring for him. When your pet becomes your true friend.
О, ты тут, здорово.
Man, this glass of water seems a bit strange today. Looks like you inadvertently interfered with our duel.
I need that.
Only cat owners can understand this feeling.
What the fuck? Go.
Cool, I got a new bracelet for free.
Open fire! Oh my. Man, see that shot? I believe this will make for a notable paper, don't you?
So I just walked in from work and there's one cat, but as I walk into the kitchen and set my stuff down...
The moment you realize cats have invaded your house.
You good?
Territorial disputes are always a painful issue.
Ding dong. Ma'am, there's no need to be violent. Bring in your package.
Excuse me, sir. Can you help me with my taxes?
He has the aura of a scientist.
Be his voice.
You want me to be his voice?
Be his voice.
When you realize you're doing a useless thing.
My love. You are... Kitten. You're already in the house. You are in the house. You're on the other side of the door. That's all.
At times like these, just stay still. This actor ended the video today. See you in the next videos.